In this video, you're going to learn how to find the CIDR from the subnet mask. What is a CIDR? It stands for Classless Interdomain Routing, or super subnetting. Basically, it's just a quicker way to write the subnet mask. So it ranges from /1 through /32, although typically you really only see /8 through /31 or 32. So I'm going to show you how to calculate for these and then how to calculate from 1 through 7 separately. Okay, so the way that you find the CIDR when they give you the subnet mask is first, you need to find the subnet mask on the cheat sheet. So for here, it's the first one without 255, which is this octet for 252. So we find it on the chart, 252 in the subnet column. So now we have to know that this is the column. This is the row that we're looking for. Now, all you have to do is start counting from row 0 from the closest default CIDR until you reach this row. So for this one, I like to go 8, 16, 24. And since this is the first one without 255, it's this one. So the default is /24. So you go 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this subnet mask is also /30 CIDR, and that's the answer. Now it's important that you mark it off counting like this because you have lots more problems to solve, and it's just easier than drawing a big, huge chart when you can use this one simple chart and find every answer that you need. So just mark it like this, and then you'll get the answer. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do another one. Okay, so they give you the IP address and they give you the subnet mask. So the first thing you need to do is find the subnet mask on the cheat sheet. So it's 240. So you go to the subnet mask column and you find 240. So this is the row we are interested in. Next, you start counting from the closest default CIDR until you reach this row. So the closest default CIDR, I go 8, 16, 24. So it's this one, 24. So you go 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So this subnet mask is also /28. Okay, for this one, this is IP address and this is a subnet mask. Now it's a little different because instead of this one, it's this one. So we find 248 on the subnet chart, on the subnet mask, 248. So it's this row. And then we start counting from the closest default CIDR. So 8, 16. Okay, so this is the first one without 255, and it's in this one. So it's /16. Start counting. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this is /21. Easy, right? All right, let's do another one. Okay, so they give you the IP address, and this is a subnet mask. So we find the subnet mask on the chart. So 24224 is here. So this is the row we're interested in. And we start counting from the closest default CIDR. So 8, this is the first one without 255, so it's this one. So 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11. This is /11. Okay, so I wanted to go back to this. So sometimes they make it a little tricky and give you numbers 1 through 7, but that's okay because everything is built in the subnetting cheat sheet. So if they give you /1, then it's subnet masks. And so we know it's in this first column. So bum, 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 bum. So /1 is 128. /2 is 192. /3 is 224. /4 is 240. And so forth and so on. And then the rest, you just fill in zeros. Everything is built in a subnetting cheat sheet, and I hope this helps.